We've got Todd and Ashley with a look at our local weather here.
Yeah, not nearly the amount of snow here in central Indiana that they have in Boston, but we are going to get some pretty good accumulations across the southern half of the state throughout the day today. To the north, you have not seen much in the way of snow, and we're not expecting much in the way of accumulation for you, but the snow's been falling now for several hours in Spencer, as well as Bloomfield over towards Bloomington and Bedford. And as we slide off towards the southeast a little further through Nashville to Columbus to Seymour, North Vernon, a light but steady snow is falling. And I don't think we'll ever get into real heavy snow throughout the day today. It's just going to kind of be this light but consistent snow for a pretty long duration in southern locales, and eventually it's going to start to add up. Now here in the metro area, we did have that burst of snow put down a quick coating. I noticed a difference though all the way from the northern half of Marion County to downtown, as the coating was a lot more prevalent here in the downtown area, and there's going to be a very sharp cutoff throughout the entire day as to how far this snow makes it. So you notice throughout the morning hours the snow falls mainly again across the southern half of the state. Maybe a little bit of a burst in northern locations as we get into the early afternoon hours. But again, it's going to be a very fine line of who sees no snow at all. In fact, from Kokomo to Peru, I don't think you see much of anything throughout the day today. And then the snow will start to taper off for everybody as we head into the evening commute. But at that point, especially again to the south, we will have quite a bit of snow on the ground. So certainly both your morning and evening commute in southern sections of the state will be very slick. And as far as potential snowfall totals, generally 3 to 6 inches down to the south, 1 to 3 here in the metro area, with that 3 number probably further south of Indianapolis. And then again in northern locations, we're looking at 1 inch or less of snow. Snow continues to fall here as you look live on our TV6 Weather Now camera network in Bloomington. You notice the visibility reduced. That is the light snow that's falling. You can see the snow on the ground there where they have several inches on the ground right now. 10's the current temperature, and Indianapolis single digits to the north right now, and wind chill values, they are currently sub-zero and as cold as -10 in many locations. So throughout the day today, the snow will be in the southern locations throughout the morning. It continues through the noon hour, and then it tapers by 4 p.m. for everybody with a high temperature, Ashley, of only 18 degrees. So very cold today. We get rid of the snow, but then even colder temperatures settle in for the middle half of the week.
We are looking at a cold week for us this week, especially those morning lows that get down sub-zero for a couple mornings. All right, so let's talk about the 7-day planning forecast. Take a look at it and view it all. Take it all in. It's cold every single day. We see some improvements as you head into the weekend. It's still snowy. It's still cold, so we have a lot happening here. Let's start out with tomorrow. Let's only focus on Tuesday for a little while. You'll wake up on Tuesday morning to temperatures in the single digits, warming by 8 a.m. to 11 degrees. Overall high temperature at 18 under cloudy skies, so it's a cold day on Tuesday. Tuesday in the morning hours, temperatures drop, I think, to around 9 in Indianapolis at 2 a.m., about 9 for you in Muncie and 9 in Bloomington. The overall low temperatures at about 7 to 8 degrees from Muncie into Indianapolis and into Bloomington. I think you'll start out the morning at around 8 for Columbus, so everyone's pretty cold tomorrow. The cold air settles in throughout the day, and we have even colder air moving in on Wednesday. But let's talk more about Tuesday. Cloud cover sitting over the area, a few peaks of sunshine, and some of these forecasting models are starting to put down some light snow showers tomorrow. Not much in the way of accumulation, but a few flurries will fly. What about Wednesday? Let's focus in on Wednesday, a high of only 10 degrees, a frigid start at 4 to 5 degrees. So temperatures are very cold on Wednesday morning, even colder on Thursday morning. Thursday morning is the coldest morning in this extended forecast. Temperatures will drop to 5 below. That's the actual temperatures, with wind chills that are around 10 to 15 below. So that's cold. 7-day planning forecast, as you take a look at it over the next 7 days, it's cold. We see improvements on Friday under mostly sunny skies. Saturday and Sunday, a chance of seeing a rain to snow mix with temperatures in the 30s.